Hello everyone. In this example, we are given two vectors A and B, and we are asked to calculate the angle between vector A and vector B. So how do we approach this problem? If you recall, we know that the dot product A dot B by definition is equal to A B cosine theta. What this means is that the cosine of theta will be equal to A dot B divided by AB. So from here, we can be able to calculate the angle between vector A and vector B. But first, what is A dot B? Vector A dot vector B is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by -1 plus 1 multiplied by 3. So this is 6 minus 5 plus 3. 6 minus 5 is 1 plus 3, that gives us 4. So the dot product between A and B is just simply 4. But first, we need to calculate the magnitude of A and the magnitude of B. A, which is just the magnitude of vector A, is equal to the square root of ax squared plus ay squared plus az squared. This is equal to the square root of ax squared is 3 squared plus ay squared is 5 squared plus az squared is just 1 squared. So if we calculate that, this will give us the square root of 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. So 9 plus 25, that will be 9 plus 5, 25 plus 5, that's 30, plus 4, that's 34, plus 1, that's 35. So this is the square root of 35. Similarly, B is just the magnitude of B, which is the square root of 2 squared plus -1 squared plus 3 squared. 2 squared is 4. 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4, that gives us 13. 13 plus 1, that is 14. So this is the square root of 14. So what this means is the cosine of theta will be equal to 4 divided by the square root of 35 multiplied by the square root of 14. In other words, theta will be equal to the cos inverse of 4 divided by the square root of 35 multiplied by the square root of 14, and that will be equal to, let's do the calculation together. So the answer here will be 75.6 degrees, and that will be the angle between vector A and vector B. Thank you so much, my dear friends. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the discussion forum below. Remain blessed, and bye-bye.